So good morning friends, welcome to PD classes. Today a very important session for all those who want to make their career in Rashtriya Military School. I hope students you will be enjoying our both channels PD classes और इंटरव्यू गाइड। और आपको बताना चाहूंगा दोस्तों कि हमारे दोनों चैनल पर हम आपको स्पोकन, पर्सनालिटी, बॉडी लैंग्वेज की वीडियोस दे रहे हैं। आप इंटरव्यूज के साथ में अपनी बॉडी लैंग्वेज भी इंप्रूव कर सकते हैं। दैट इज टोटली फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट। इंटरव्यूज के लिए आप यूनिवर्सल इंटरव्यू बुक हमारी ले सकते हैं दोस्तों। उसमें आपको बहुत कुछ अच्छा मिल सकता है रिगार्डिंग ऑल टाइप ऑफ इंटरव्यूज, स्पेशली राष्ट्रीय मिलिट्री स्कूल इंटरव्यूज। तो चलिए सबसे पहले वेलकम करता हूं मिस्टर एम अर्जुन को।
गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
गुड मॉर्निंग एम अर्जुन। यू आर फ्रॉम तमिलनाडु?
यस सर।
तेनी डिस्ट्रिक्ट?
यस सर।
ओके, इतनी दूर से आप आए, आपको बहुत से लोग हमें कहते हैं कि यार सर बहुत दूर है श्री गंगानगर, हम यहाँ हैं वहाँ हैं, पर अगर मैं आपका एग्जांपल दूं तो क्या आपको लगी कुछ दूरी?
नो सर, मुझे नहीं लगी सर।
और यहाँ आकर आपको कैसा लगा?
सर बहुत कंफर्टेबल महसूस कर रहा हूँ सर मैं।
ओके, और यहाँ का फूड एकोमोडेशन कैसा लगा?
सर बहुत बढ़िया है सर।
अच्छा लगा आपको?
यस सर।
वेरी गुड। आप अपनी मदर के साथ आई है?
यस सर।
तो आपके मदर भी हैप्पी है, खुश है?
यस सर।
फूड
बहुत
और एकोमोडेशन से?
यस सर।
उनको जो गर्ल्स स्पेशल फैसिलिटीज जो मिली है, स्पेशली जो गर्ल्स डिपार्टमेंट में जो मिली है जगह जहाँ पर आप भी रह रहे हैं, तो उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं उनको?
नो सर।
वेरी नाइस, बहुत बढ़िया। चलिए भाई, मैं हमारे पेरेंट्स को भी बताना चाहूँगा, यदि फीमेल मेंबर साथ में आते हैं तो सेपरेट अलग से गर्ल्स के लिए फैसिलिटीज़ है, मींस गर्ल्स हॉस्टल इज सेपरेट, और बॉयज़ के लिए अलग फैसिलिटीज़ है। तो हम अपने बच्चों को बताना चाहेंगे अगर आप मदर के साथ आते हैं, बिल्कुल आप सेपरेट फैसिलिटीज़ फॉर गर्ल्स के डिपार्टमेंट में रह सकते हैं। और यहाँ पर शौर्य इज ऑल्सो विद मी। शौर्य, यू आर विद योर मामा जी?
यस सर।
ओके, अंकल, मेट्रोनल अंकल, और आप रह रहे हैं बॉयज़ हॉस्टल, तो कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
अच्छा लग रहा है।
फूड एकोमोडेशन अच्छा है?
Yes, sir.
तनिष्क इज फ्रॉम पर्टिकुलर प्लेस दैट इज मध्य प्रदेश।
Yes, sir.
और तनिष्क, आप दोनों मध्य प्रदेश से है ना? आप इटारसी से और आप तनिष्क
मोरेना से।
मोरेना से। तो आपको कैसा लग रहा है यहाँ पर?
So I am feeling very nice here because of the comfortable nature and the hostel facilities.
ओके, नाउ लेट अस टॉक विद मिस्टर एम अर्जुन।
Yes, sir.
एम अर्जुन, ये जो नाम है एम अर्जुन, तो ये इसमें एम रिजेंबल्स व्हाट?
सर माय फादर्स नेम।
ओके, सो इट इज अ रेस्पेक्ट गिवन टू योर फादर?
यस सर।
Okay, from Chhattisgarh, one girl has come to me for KVS interview. Her name was Jyoti G, and I don't know. I asked her something related that why G is here. It is just G. G
Yes.
girls, that girl that is G. And I asked her कि यार ये G क्यों है? तो she stated me it is something a name, मतलब respect है, regard है, हम जो देते आगे. Maybe the same concern over here also
Yes, sir.
in Tamil Nadu. So my question to you is, you want to come in military school and you know very well that there are so many candidates waiting outside for this same particular study.
Yes.
They also want admission.
Yes.
Then why should we select only you, not others?
So although at present I can't judge others who are standing in a queue like me,
Okay.
yet I can assure you about myself. I am very dedicated and determined person, especially towards my studies.
Good.
If you select me, I will justify your selection, and moreover I am a friendly boy.
Oh, you are a friendly nature boy.
Yes sir.
So you can adjust anywhere.
Yes sir.
You like to work in team or alone?
Sir, my consider is I am working in team sir,
Okay.
because much more get achieved when people pull together.
Okay. So since you are very new, it is only the second day of yours.
Yes, sir.
right? But I want that there should be some complicated questions also between us. So I will be giving chance to your colleagues also. And first I am giving chance to Kajal. She will be asking you single question. Kajal, have your question please.
Tell about your strength.
My strength is I am self-confident and a hard worker.
Okay. Next, Mr. Tanishk, have your
Sir.
question.
Tell about RBC.
RBC. The RBC is in our blood.
Okay. Full form of RBC? Red blood corpuscles or red blood cells, isn't it?
Yes sir.
And there are three type of cells, blood cells: RBC, WBC and platelets. RBCs का जो particular life होती है वो कितने दिन?
120.
Very good. 120. It
Yes,
is
sir.
120. Okay. Next, please have your question.
First woman to get Bharat Ratna.
अन्नपूर्णा देवी.
Indira Gandhi.
Okay. Next, please, Tanish, have your question.
Tell me about the immune system of our body.
Immune system. It is work for our body.
Okay, to boost
Body
immunity.
strength.
Strength. Yes. More, you want to speak something?
So I want to say that if he will say that like that, The immunity system is a very important part of our body, and
Okay.
it helps us to prevent us diseases, and it
Disease.
also fight other diseases to prevent our body to be self clean and not be to not
Remain disease free.
Yes, ma'am.
वेरी गुड. चलिए गार्डन सिटी किसे कहा गया है वर्ल्ड में?
सर चिकागो.
ओके. और कनाडा का नेशनल गेम कौन सा है?
आइस हॉकी.
आपने ये क्वेश्चन शायद तनिष से भी पूछा था.
यस सर.
ओके. रशिया का नेशनल गेम?
बांदी.
ओह. और यूएसए का नेशनल गेम?
बेसबॉल.
ओके. चलिए मैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू यू इज फर्स्ट लार्ज स्केल एटॉमिक रिएक्टर ऑफ इंडिया?
सर अप्सरा.
ओके. एंड स्मॉलेस्ट कंट्री बाय पॉपुलेशन वाइज?
वेटिकन सिटी.
राइट. थर्ड बिगेस्ट नेशन इन पॉपुलेशन?
सर यूएसए.
ओके. एंड सेकंड बिगेस्ट कॉन्टिनेंट?
अफ्रीका.
फर्स्ट?
एशिया.
Good. Jawaharlal Nehru Prime Minister tenure was?
1947 to 1964.
Okay. Now my question to you is, you are coming in boarding school. So
Yes,
how
sir.
will you manage?
Sir, studying in RMS is itself a matter of pride for me.
Okay.
I know very well, if I am to serve in army as officer, I must not have any homesickness. For me, Kashmir to Kanyakumari is same.
Oh, you want to state that there should be no nostalgic feelings if you want to be an army man.
Yes, sir.
That's very good. You gave really good answer. Okay, next I'm giving chance to again my newcomers. Mr. Tanish, have your question?
Do you know about World War II?
What?
Do you know about World War II?
No.
Yes.
Okay. So
Tell me the dates up to what starting and last.
1939 to 1945.
Good. Okay, you must know the date at least. Yes, next question please.
First Indian woman to get Nobel Prize.
Asha Purna Devi.
Mother Teresa.
Okay.
He is in India.
She is in.
Yes, sir. She is in India.
Okay. You want to state something
Yes,
for
sir.
World War, Second World War.
Yes, sir.
Continue your talk.
Sir, I want to say that do you know that about World War II?
He's saying no, you can
yes
answer.
Or no. Yes or no?
Yes.
Do you know?
Yes.
So tell me the countries which are part of Allied powers,
This question I don't know.
and tell me the southernmost point of India.
Indira Point. Indira Point.
Wrong.
What is the answer?
What is it?
Kanyakumari.
Kanyakumari.
Okay, your motto, students, are not to make him wrong. Your motto should be to give him knowledge. If he is not knowing, you should instantly ask, tell the answer also. As you haven't told me the answer till yet about you asked which countries had participated. So you didn't name. So you can name the countries and tell him.
Okay, the Allied powers were the France, England, then USA, then Russia. These are the main countries, and the small countries are like Switzerland, Switzerland and Spain.
Okay. Thank
Okay. Now you should tell. Thank you, sir. Thank you for updating my knowledge. Speak.
Thank you for updating my.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for updating my knowledge.
Yes. Speak with proper respect.
Okay, sir.
Good. Now my next question to you is, you stated you like teamwork. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What other qualities do you have? What are your strong points?
My strong points: I am self-confident and a hard worker.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Shaurya, have your question.
First IPS officer.
Kiran Bedi.
Okay. Is he right? Yes. More questions? Kajal, you can ask question.
Yes, sir. Tell me about your family.
There are 4 members in my family. My father is a defense person. My mother is a housewife. I have an elder sibling. She is studying in 11th class.
It should be said as 11th standard.
11th
No,
standard.
it is same. Sugar ball of the world is known.
Sir, Cuba.
Very good. Land of morning calm.
Korea.
Good. And Garden City I have already asked you in the initial part.
Yes, sir.
Right? Very good. So now my next question to you is, like, who motivated you to come in military school?
Sir, my ideal person is my father because he is physically strong and mentally strong.
Okay. And how much tenure he has worked till yet?
Sir, he is approximately 20 years.
20 years. He has
Yes.
been working and
Yes, sir.
serving the nation.
Yes, sir.
Really proud of him. Very nice. And he has been shifted at various places.
Yes,
so
sir.
you must have also gone at various places to
Yes,
study
sir.
or not?
Yes, sir.
Which places you have visited till yet in
Sir,
India?
Jodhpur, Mhow, and Jammu,
Okay.
Madras, and other.
Okay. Now Madras is known as
Sir, Chennai.
Chennai. Very good. And you know about RMS?
Yes, sir.
Please tell.
So there are 5 RMS: RMS Chel, RMS Dholpur, RMS Ajmer, RMS Belgaum,
Which is
and
the oldest?
sir, RMS Chel is the oldest.
When it got established?
Sir, 1925.
Very good. Next, Mrs. Shaurya.
Pak state in which
India, Sri Lanka.
Is it? Very good. Now my suggestion to you is, you have answered very well. Only like you know the answer, but while answering you speak in a rapid manner, like you don't wait for the question. So your main ultimate aim should respect also the person.
Okay, sir.
Okay, like I initially asked you that there are so many candidates waiting outside in a row, and why should I select only you? At that moment the answering was good, but the way you answered was not correct. You ask me the same question, I will tell you. Please ask.
Although there are many.
No, ask me the question.
Yes, sir. There are many candidates. Why should I select you?
Sir, although at present I can't judge others, sir, who are studying in a queue like me, yet I can assure you about myself, sir, that I am confident. I am determined, dedicated person, sir, especially towards my studies. And I assure you, sir, that if you give me a chance, I will justify your selection by participating in every activity of my school and scoring good marks. Sir, I really need one chance, sir, to show my strengths. Like this. Like last point, you should have some request also. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, you have given good. And it's your second day. Keep
Yes,
it up. My blessings to you. Nice.
Okay, sir.
Okay, keep it up.